Hello guys, so in this video we want to quickly show you how we are cooking up some Pad Kaprao with beef. As ingredients we use beef, garlic, fresh chili, Thai basil, some Pad Kaprao seasoning mix, oyster sauce, soy sauce and some sugar. And of course we already prepared our rice. So this is berry rice, but you can of course use any rice you like. So we start out by adding the garlic and the chilies into our mortar, and we're going to start to grind those down. Now, in case you don't have a mortar, then of course you can just chop them up on your cutting board, or if you have a garlic press, you can use that as well. Just to make sure that everything is mixed well. Then next we're going to cut our beef into small strips or small pieces, just whatever size we like. Of course you can also use ground beef in case you prefer to use that. Then we are going to remove the stems from our Thai basil. And in case you can't find any Thai basil in your area, then you can also alternatively use here this powder. So instead of the other seasoning mix, you can just use this seasoning mix to use for our Pad Kaprao. Now it is time to start up our stove. So we're going to heat up our wok, and we're going to first add some cooking oil. And once that is heated up all the way, then we're going to add here the mix of the chili and the garlic. And once that is sizzling for just a little bit, then we can start to add here our beef and let that cook for a while. Then next we're going to add about a spoonful of the oyster sauce as well as the soy sauce. Then we also add a spoonful of the seasoning mix, and after washing the Thai basil, we're going to also add that right in. Now this was already it, so all we have to do now is to check for taste and add some more ingredients and flavors if we need to. And then of course we don't want to forget to fry up an egg. So we are going to heat up some more oil, and we're going to fry our egg in here really quick, and then we're ready to go and everything is ready to eat.